Hi, this is Jason from spinrewriter.com. Let me show you just how easy it is to use the Spin Rewriter software. You start by placing your article into this text field right here and clicking this button. When you do this, Spin Rewriter will first analyze your article to determine the actual meaning of the text, and then it will prepare thousands of relevant synonyms to help you rewrite your article. To check the synonyms of a particular word, you can simply double-click it. If this word has more than one meaning, you can find a list of all available meanings on the right, and you can switch between them. However, Spin Rewriter will automatically select the correct one for you. To use a synonym, you can simply click it. You can also use this button to quickly select all top synonyms. With this button, you quickly select all synonyms. You can also add your very own synonyms. Just type them in here and press Enter. Of course, you can also use the synonyms of already existing synonyms, but this is only interesting for the most advanced users. You might want to rewrite whole phrases as well. To select a phrase, just highlight it with your mouse. Everything else is exactly the same. However, there's another really important thing. As you have probably noticed, Spin Rewriter comes with the amazing one-click rewrite option as well. Let's check it out. Here we've got a short article that we're going to rewrite using the one-click rewrite option. First, let's open up the one-click rewrite settings. Since it's our first time, let's go with the recommended option. Let's only use the synonyms that Spin Rewriter thinks are correct. This will instantly create hundreds of completely unique versions of our short article, and these new articles will be grammatically flawless and perfectly readable. Let's check out the results. As you can see, the resulting text really is perfect. You can also see where Spin Rewriter used different synonyms for the same original words. This is only possible because Spin Rewriter really understands the actual meaning of words. This is pretty much everything you need to get started. We wish you all the best. Thanks, and take care.